According to a mind-boggling study by Finder.com back in 2019, a whopping 126.5 million American adults have danced their way through the minefield of money mistakes at least once in their lifetime. So, if you've ever blown your cash on something that made your wallet weep, fear not, you're not alone. Look, there's nothing wrong with making a mistake, even when it comes to your finances. However, it becomes a problem if you keep making the same errors over and over again. Learning from these common money mistakes can prevent headaches and position you for a solid financial future. So, welcome back to our channel, Finspiration, where we unveil the juiciest financial mishaps that'll make you cringe and learn. In today's video, we'll take a look at some of the most common financial mistakes that often lead people to major economic hardship, and how you can avoid them. So let's begin. Number 1. Not budgeting your money. Keeping a budget is as simple as recording your income, tracking your expenses, establishing goals, and adjusting your financial activities accordingly. A budget helps you to identify avoidable expenses and optimize spending. Number 2. Spending more than you make. With you earning more and more money, there could come an urge to spend more. This could make you spend more than you earn, and if that happens, you could get forced to take out loans to settle your debts. Hence, track your expenses. Number 3. Taking on a credit card debt. A credit card is often very lucrative. It gives you a false image that you have a lot of money to spend. This could create huge credit card dues. Always buy things you can afford to pay immediately. No need for credit. Number 4. Failing to set financial goals. It is important to be specific and to have a clear idea about your financial goals in today's world. Lack of planning could cause you to end up with fewer savings than you would have preferred in your retirement years. Set your destination. Number 5. Not starting to save money. Not saving money can turn into a catastrophic move. Don't risk your future. Start saving and investing your money as soon as possible. It's your savings that will help you in your difficult times. Number 6. Not having an emergency fund. When your income gets halted suddenly, one disease, accident, hospital admission may disrupt your finances. Don't wait for the devastation to occur. Number 7. Not discussing finances with your better half. It can be so awkward to talk about money with a significant other who wants to deal with that. But if you're getting serious with someone, it's time to have the talk. Number 8. Not paying off debt faster. The faster you pay your debt, the more you'll save on interest and the quicker you'll get to the financial freedom you need. We will close today's video with one of our favorite quotes from the movie Fight Club. We buy things we don't need with money we don't have to impress people we don't like. Are you going to be one of those people who fall for the lifestyle trap? Or are you going to rise above it? The choice is yours. Number 9. Neglecting insurance. Failing to have adequate insurance coverage can leave you exposed to financial disasters. Ensure you have health, auto, home, and life insurance as needed to protect your assets and loved ones. Number 10. Ignoring financial education. Many people fail to educate themselves about personal finance, which can lead to poor financial decisions. Invest time in learning about budgeting, investing, and other financial topics. To steer yourself away from the dangers of overspending, start by monitoring the little expenses that add up quickly, then move on to monitoring the big expenses. Think carefully before adding new debts to your list of payments, and keep in mind that being able to make a payment isn't the same as being able to afford the purchase. Finally, make saving some of what you earn a monthly priority, along with spending time developing a sound financial plan. It's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn, but it's always better to learn from the mistakes of others, though. We hope our list of 10 common financial mistakes helps you avoid the common errors so you can financially thrive. So what do you think is the biggest financial mistake you have ever made? Do share your experience with us in the comments section. It could help someone. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you next time.